warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Rasya.
And is Triasa. Today I will do the task of asking for advice. Hey Rasya, look upset, what happened?
I'm so angry. My friend Dana told everyone to my secret.
Oh no, that's bad, but maybe it's a mistake.
I don't think I can forgive him.
Try to forgive Rasya, it will make your hair better.
You're right. I'll try to forgive him. Maybe he'll forget. Hopefully, he won't repeat it again.
Thanks for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.